everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here, back here in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and we have Robel. Robel, welcome, man. Coming in from Philly, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, thanks for doing this, man.
Thank you.
Tell everybody a little bit about your history.
So, I started losing hair when I was young, and it progressed rapidly after that.
Yeah.
It was mainly at the middle, and then it started going to the front and to the sides. So that kind of made me look at the hair transplant, and I saw your reviews, which was great, and I saw the pictures, of course, the gallery, and that helped because there was an enhancement.
Yeah,
like the photos that I saw was a real.
Yeah.
So that kind of made my decision.
Very cool, excellent. And you said this was in high school. You started losing your hair in high school. That's really bad. Yeah, that can be really frustrating and really affect your self identity and all that.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. And you've been on finasteride, minoxidil.
For a little bit, but not so much change.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you doing this. What we're going to work on today, we're still talking about what the priority zones are. He really is bothered by the crown. And so we're discussing whether that's going to be priority one. You can't really half do the hairline. So if we only have a little bit extra, we're not going to sort of half do the hairline. So we're talking about potentially maybe doing the hairline as priority one. This is priority two, but we're going to kind of go over everything. We may do a little exosomes in the middle as well too, give it a little boost. But we'll draw everything out, come back and check on it in a few minutes.
All right.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Robel, and it is him. He shaved his head. You do not have to shave your head. Sometimes it actually looks better because it looks kind of crazy if you don't, but that's completely up to you. But he shaves his head normally, so he didn't mind. So this is the line. It's on the aggressive side, but that's where his hairline used to be, and he wanted it back there, and I think it still looks symmetric, and I think it's going to look really good on him. We decided after sort of chatting that we're going to make that initial sort of hairline area right there as priority number one. And then the crown will be priority number two back here. And hopefully we can get both of those areas filled in completely. If not, I'd rather be short in the priority number two area versus it's a little kind of hard, as I said before, being short in the hairline. That's kind of will make it look really awkward. And if we have extras after, if we fill in priority one and priority two, we're going to fill in kind of the frontal third area here, and we're going to add some exosomes in one or both of those areas. So we got a little Valium on board. How you feeling?
All right.
You ready to do this?
Ready to go.
All right, let's go. We'll check on you a little later.
All right.
All right. All right, we are finished. You did great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Tell everybody how the day went, what the good and the bad.
I don't have so much bad. Like everything went as planned. Like everything was pre-explained, so that made it a lot easier.
Good.
And
Did you feel like anything was not representative of what we told you ahead of time? Like you're like, I wasn't expecting that.
No,
Okay,
actually everything went towards the plan. Like,
awesome.
Yeah,
Good.
didn't even miss a beat.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
so
Excellent.
it was
Watched a
It
little
was
World Cup.
easy. World Cup.
Did
It was-
lunch.
Yeah.
You took a nap.
A little more less pain than I expected.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was expecting a lot more pain,
Yeah.
but it's less pain.
And you've been through a couple surgeries. So patients that have sort of had to deal with some surgeries or discomfort, I think, do a little better. Patients that may not have had to deal with any discomfort in their lives, they feel it, but everybody's pain threshold's a little different.
So
good, excellent.
Everything went well.
Awesome. I love it. I'm going to have Zane zoom in. So I'm going to have you duck your head just a little bit. So we did the first probably 2 fingers or so all the way around here. That was our priority number one. We really packed it in tight, really crushed it. I'm going to spin you around and then have you look up. It's a little hard to see just with the coloring, but we got the crown. Spread it out a little bit more than just to kind of cover the area. But overall, I'm super happy with it. I think it's looked great. And then we got the stitches at the bottom. You doing good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Words of advice for anybody out there that's kind of thinking about it. Maybe, what would you tell yourself a year ago?
Just I wish I did it a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
I wish
That's what
I
everybody
did
says.
it earlier.
I thought the same thing. That's what everybody says. I wish they'd done the same.
Yeah.
Awesome. Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this.
Jack.
We'll keep in touch.
Anybody who wants to do that, come talk to Dr. Blumenthal.
Amen.
That's what you want to talk to.
Thanks, man.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.